Condition type controls. Make a heading. Are you there, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The first field, access sequence. Actually, I did some testing. It got field so that I am testing something. The access sequence. So, what is the purpose of this access sequence? Please tell me now. Let me know what you are understanding. Guys,
Yes, yes, sir.
access sequence. The first
So
field.
tables are maintaining in access sequence to place to next step.
Correct. So we will assign access sequence to the condition type. So that we can create the condition records.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the purpose of access sequence. That's it. We will just assign the access sequence to condition type. Rashmi, are you there? It's not there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I came.
So, yeah, we will just assign the access sequence to the condition type. The purpose of the access sequence is that one. That's it. And records for access. Make a note.
Sir, I was talking in a mute.
Yeah. Okay. No worries. So next field. So first field is access sequence. There is nothing usage. I mean, we will assign the access sequence to the condition type, so that condition records will be able to create. Okay.
Yes.
So next step is records for access. If you check this, system will display the list of condition records in the access. So just click this one. Make a note first. If you click this, then system will display the list of all the condition records of access sequence.
Like, it will mention what's that? All the records in access sequence.
Yeah, it will show all the records. So for example, I am clicking this one, and just I will execute with our sales organization. So it will list out all the condition records which are available for this condition type.
Okay.
So here is available customer sales or material and sales or price list material. The prices will be displayed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is the purpose of records for access in the condition type control.
Sir, but we created 3 tables now, sir. Why it is showing only 2 tables?
So we have created just records of this one. So we are created the records. We are created the tables for the 3 combinations, but the records we are created with this one only. Okay, records VK11 records I'm talking about.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
For third one,
not,
we didn't.
yeah, it's not the condition tables or access sequence which we are created. It's a records which we are created in the transaction VK11. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next field. This error is keep getting.
So just now you got one error, no, like that I'll get.
Yeah, actually, this was some buffer issue kind of thing. You just ignore this and step back. That's it. So actually, it is saying like standard condition RVAA01 is missing with sales area AV.
Yes, sir.
So you just assign that. Let me fix that issue. If once again it will coming again. So instead of going back, next field is condition class.
Yes, sir. Condition.
Sir, here see, sir, RVAA01 is there.
Yes.
That's the this thing we are getting now, sir.
Yeah, this is the actual original pricing procedure. RVAA01 is the original pricing procedure. I mean standard pricing procedure. Something is related to this one only. Let me check once again if it see. So if I go inside, let me check, execute. Let me try to go in the same way. Go back. Here only we get the error, right? So it is saying like condition type TR01 is not in the procedure AV. Condition type TR00 is not in the procedure. That is what it is saying. So what you can do, V/08. It's locked by me only. Okay. Only this one, right?
Yes, sir.
RVAA01. No. It is saying like the condition type is not in the procedure. In this procedure, it is not there. It is saying what is AV. So let me go inside. What sales are valid? It is the standard one. A and B. It is saying like customer pricing procedure A and document pricing procedure B. It is missing. It's saying that the error is because of that one. That is the error, right? If I go back here, AB and the procedure. AB only it is showing. Let me check, is there any AVM2 is there? Let me add one thing. P100 01 01 A B pricing procedure is
TR0. Pricing will be TR01 now, sir.
no, it's saying like standard pricing procedure error. So
Okay. So R
RB double A
01.
01.
and here it is saying TR01 is missing.
Yes, sir.
Let me add that one. Not in the procedure.
Not in procedure.
Because it's looking for somewhere the condition type need to be available in the pricing procedure actually. So let me share this. Anyway, we are not going to that one. but it's worth trying. It's asking the pricing procedure is missing. RB00.
Condition type RTR01 is not in the procedure AV.
Yeah,
Maybe
condition
because
type is
there, sir, just now you opened one page, no, sir, condition type record.
this.
No, not this one more, like we are expecting now that sheet you open, sir. Come back to this sheet, sir.
I have to close this and go back here. This
So
is
the
what you
here
said.
pricing procedure should be like PR00 like that, or how it is, sir?
No, so this is actually if I remove this one, let me say. Let's see whether it's the purpose of the pricing procedure in pricing procedure is something different. It's not the one which you are thinking. In closing this, there's something we can do here. We have added one wrong entry, but that's okay. I will go inside and try to change one. It does not allow supplement condition. Now you see, I think you don't get the error. You see, are you getting my point? See,
Yes, sir.
now you don't get that error because it's actually the pricing procedure controls. There was a field called pricing procedure. I will show you. Go one step back. So the purpose of this pricing procedure in the pricing condition type control is to add supplement conditions. So if you add any other pricing procedure here, then system will see if client requirement is assume like if the client if the assume like client requirement is they want to give additional 2% discount and the conditions if they purchase this material. Okay, additional 2% discount. In that case, what we will do, we will create one new pricing procedure here. Let me try to explain this pricing procedure field. So currently you are not getting, okay?
Yes, sir.
You are not getting the error. So see, the same way I'm going inside. I removed everything. And try to go inside to the change mode and go back. If I click go back, it should throw the error. So that is what our previous case, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
error. So if I now if I am clicking going back, it's not giving any error. So if I put the standard pricing procedure here, RV double M
A01.
0 and save it. If I go to the condition record, there was a bug actually. It should not throw the error. The purpose of the pricing procedure in the condition type control is something different. If I go inside and trying to go back, now you see you are getting the error, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So for the time being, for your understanding, what I will do, the purpose of the field is something different. I will show you later. In the today's class only we are discussing. Okay. So this is all about the access sequence and condition record. The next field is condition class. No, note it. This field controls the type of the price component. That is whether the condition is a base price, discount, surcharge, rebate conditions, etc. These field controls. Okay.
The condition is the base price.
Condition controls the price component.
Whether the condition type is
Whether the condition type is base price, discount, surcharge, rebate conditions, or etc. Okay.
Yes.
If it is a base price, we maintain it as B. Okay. Note these points also. If it is base price, we maintain it as B. If it is discount, we make it as A.
Yes, sir.
If it is rebate, then we make it as C. If it is tax, we make it as D.
So
Okay.
for rebate, we will call expense reimbursement also.
Yeah, they call it as expense reimbursement, but in our understanding, we mention it as rebate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For the taxes, we make it as D, condition class. So if you want to verify your own condition type which you are created, you can verify. So I am opening parallelly our pricing procedure, or else what I will do, I will close this window. So what is our condition type for the tax condition?
The tax MS MWS.
MWS.
MWST. Recall these condition types. I was using the standard one when it is the tax. So for the tax condition, what we maintain for condition class? T. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So question, write a question. Where is the control that system will activate multiple base prices?
There is a control.
Where is the control that system will not activate multiple base price condition types?
Multiple base conditions.
Yeah. So if you maintain the base condition type, I mean, I'll calculate.
System will not.
Yeah. If you maintain that our TR001, we make it as 0. Sorry, B. So then system will not add any other further base condition type in the sales statement. Where is the control? The control is condition class B. Okay.
Sir, I didn't understand question on this, sir.
So where is the control? System will not activate multiple base price condition types. So if you want to add any other further more condition type to you in our pricing procedure, system will not allow. First of all,
Okay, sir. Okay.
you got the point, right?
Yes, sir. Rather than base price, we can't add
Yeah.
any other price you meant.
Yes. Other than the base price, we can't add. So where is the control? The control is condition class P. So for example, if you want me to show the example,
Yes, sir.
so V/08, our pricing procedure is 3001. Go inside and I will add step number 11. I will add PR00 to the standard one. Okay. It's some value will leave it. URL requirement type is 2. Go back. You can see I have added the condition type, and if I click 2, it's a required field. Then I saved it. I maintain the condition records and week 11. PR00 we are added. For customer material, I want to maintain the prices. Customer is this, and material is this one. Save it. Now I try to create the sales order.
Condition.
You see here, our PR00 is nullified.
It has taken
PR01 is
place.
nullified, but it's deactivated, and the second one is activated.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So if any two base condition types are there, condition class B will activate the last one, deactivate the previous one. Make this point. Any two base condition types are there in the pricing procedure. Condition class B activates the last one, deactivates the previous one. Got it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And I will remove this one from the procedure because I don't want this. We are already understood everything, correct?
Yes, sir.
And next question, where is the control? The tax condition type will be added to net value. Sorry, will not be added to net value. You can see here, our net value is 9753, but the tax value is shown separately. Why it is shown?
Because of condition class D.
Correct. Because of there was a control in the document type controls, we make it as, for the tax condition, we make it as D. So that is the purpose of condition class D. For the taxes, you maintain it as D. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So condition class D doesn't add the value to the net value.
Condition class D, it's condition class D will not add the, will show the separate taxation. It will not add the tax value into net value. Yes, correct. Your understanding is correct. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear? The next point, plus or minus. What would you show the example? Anyway, the example is with in front of you. You can see the tax amount is displayed in the separate line item.
Yes.
The tax amount is 175554. It was shown that separate line item. Where is the control? Have you made any setup in the pricing procedure?
No, sir.
No. For the net value, okay, you did the net value step as this one. So it was considered as a net value this 9753 because you made the step in the pricing procedure. Bifurcation step, you made it as a net value. Okay. So it picked as a net value step. But the tax amount, why it's shown? Because of condition class D, which we are maintaining the condition type control. Okay.
Yes.
So that was already predefined. So you don't need to try to create any new condition class and all. It's not possible also. I don't think we never create that one. Let's see. It's not allowing. You see, there is no confusion. These are all the standard components. SAP is already predefined. Okay.
Yes.
So next field, plus or minus. So this field controls whether to add the condition type amount or whether to deduct the condition type amount. This is the purpose of this.
Whether to add the condition type control.
Condition type amount. Or to deduct the condition type amount. You see, there was blank means positive or negative. Both it will take. X means negative. A means positive. Okay. You see,
Yes.
there was some F4. If you click on F4, there was the control. So let me show you when this was a base condition. Our discount condition type is K004. This material discount. If you go inside, what it is marked, it marked as X. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So only you will get the negative values. Have you maintained any minus records? No, right?
No, sir. Only for discount we are getting.
You just given 10 rupees, but why system is took as a minus value? Because of this control. So if you want to remove this, I will try to remove this one in our condition. I just remove this and save. Okay. So now this was now earlier it was created as minus. Okay. P005. So now try to create the same sales order without doing anything and without disturbing any condition records. Why it took minus?
Sir, again, it's same, no, sir.
It's not same actually. It's sorry, we make it blank actually. Blank is plus or minus actually because of this control. You can see here if we make it as a discount as a condition class, so it making as negative values by default. If I save this, how come
Yeah, it is minus.
it's minus? Actually, I am expecting to have the positive sign. We are given negative values while creating the condition records. No, right?
No relative, sir.
Blank, no, sir. While creating.
No. Statistical to requirement. Customer sales or customer material discount. P005. Sales of customer material. See, here we are given the blank minus actually. So 1 second, let me try to enter. Now it's taking us positive. If I mark negative, you see guys, it's not related to VK11. I'm going inside to the VK11. Okay, P001, and the material I have given, customer I have given. So 12. If I click this, it was by default it is showing the negative values. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if I click this as A, if I maintain this positive and negative as A, yeah. So let me try to create one condition record with the same input. Then 10. It is not giving any negative sign. You see, it's positive sign. You understood? So now I save this one and try to fetch that values. It should come up with positive sign now. Carry out new positive. You see, it's now in positive sign. Okay, it's
Yes.
not like a discount. It's just we are adding some adding some values. It's probably considered as a discount. Okay, guys, clear?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, it's up to that, but I was replacing. It should be for the discounts X only. I'm replacing the material also. It should come. Why it's not saved? Huh? Yeah. So continuation was overlapping. Anyway, I was saving this one. So that is the purpose of this field. Okay.
Sir, even when I was creating, I used to get overlapping because we created many times like that, sir.
Yeah. It's because of if the condition records is already there. If you are creating the condition records, just his system is saying like there was already pre-existing condition records are there. So it's overlapping. That was just information mail. That's it. Okay.
Sir.
Next field is condition type. Make a side heading.
Calculation type.
Yeah, it's sorry, calculation type. Calculation type. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The different calculation types are there. Percentage based fixed amount, quantity, gross weight, net weight. So the calculation type will help to convert the condition type amount into condition type value. Make a note.
It help to
Convert condition type amount to condition type value. Okay.
yes.
Examples of calculation type make it A percentage, B fixed amount, C quantity, D gross weight. You remember this one? Usually we use this for only. There was already predefined calculation types are there. SAP is already provided. but based on your client's requirement, we can use any one out of it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So what I said, it will convert the condition type amount to condition type value. You can see here, condition type amount. This is the condition type amount, and it will convert to condition type value. Okay.
Yes.
So you see here in the T002, there was a 2% is there. What is the 2%? How much the
Discount.
2%? It's a 200. 200 of 10,000. If it is the 2% amount, that will be 200. Okay.
Yes.
So it will help to convert the condition type amount into condition type value. Okay. This is the purpose of this field. And example you are noted, right? A
Yes.
for percentage.
Fixed amount, quantity,
Yeah.
and
B
gross.
for fixed amount, C for quantity, and D for gross weight. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The next field is condition category. So condition category is sub-classification of condition class. Make a note. This category is sub-classification of condition class. So the condition class category field will have a relationship between pricing type control and copy control. Make a note. So this field controls
Yes, sir. Controls.
condition category field will have a relationship between pricing type field in the copy control.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Relationship between, can you repeat it, sir?
Yeah.
Field
The
controls.
condition category field will have relationship with pricing type field. Copy control. We have not discussed the copy controls. So let me show you. Where is the copy controls? VT VTFL and VTFF, VTFA. These are all the some transaction codes. Going forward, we discuss that one. It's opening loading actually. There was lot of data will be there in the copy control. So hopefully it's expected to have this much time to open.
Like assigning of
Oh yeah, you think that versioning of sales statement types. Okay. So what is our billing type F2 and delivery type is LF. Go to the items. And select the standard item category TAN. Go to details. You can see here. This is what the field we are talking about. The condition category field will have a relationship with pricing type field in the copy control. This is the copy controls, okay? Copy control fields. Yes. These fields also we are going to discuss going forward. Okay?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. So pricing type. You know the pricing types, right? We are already discussed.
Carry out new pricing.
Yeah. If it is, please make a note. On this point, please make a note. Pricing type. For the standard or else what you written so far? Condition category will have a relationship between condition pricing type fields in the copy control, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the pricing type controls how the pricing should be copied into source document to target document. Make a next point. Pricing type controls help to copy the price from source document to target document.
How to copy the
How to pricing should be copied from the source document to target document.
It helps to copy the price into
Source document to target document. Source document in the sense, for example, we have created order. That is source. And target document is with reference to order, we are going to create delivery. Correct?
yes.
Yeah, that is target document. How the prices has to copy from one document to other document, which will be defined under the pricing condition category controls itself. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And make a different pricing types. A, copy pricing components and redetermine scales. Make a note, you can see the scale. B for carry out new pricing. Up to you make it for redetermined freight. Up to this one. H you make it. Up to H you write it. And even I also, because rebates, yes, up to rebate you can note it. Pricing type B, carry out new pricing. Pricing type C, copy manual prices unchanged and redetermine other prices. Well, looking at the description, you can understand, right?
Yes.
Copy manual prices, pricing elements and redetermine others. It means it will copy the already entered the manual prices.
Sir, voice is not clear, sir.
So, see, I need to set the state to the system. If I am change the position, then it voice is echoing. I mean, you are not getting the voice. Now it's clear, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So carry out copy manual prices. See, copy manual prices, pricing elements, and redetermine tax, redetermine others. That means it will copy the all manual prices, whatever you are entered in the sales statement, but it will redetermine all the things like any other discounts, base prices, rest all the things it will redetermine. Except it will copy everything of the manual prices. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The next important is redetermine, copy pricing elements unchanged and redetermine taxes. Pricing type G. So it will only redetermine the taxes. Rest all the things remain same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if it is H, it will only redetermine the freight conditions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it is I, it will redetermine only rebate condition.
Sir, if any changes we made under tax, then we should
Yeah,
select
you click
G.
the redetermine taxes of pricing type G. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah. So this is the usage of condition category. Next field, rounding rule.
Yes.
Sorry, there is nothing about this. Just there was two options: rounding up or rounding down. The field will be controlled with rounding rules. So if you click A, if any decimal values are there, they put assume like 10.89. So then system will consider as 11 by default. Rounding up, because we are given the commercial rounding as rounding up. If it is 10.99, even 99 also, it will round it to 11.
10.
Sorry, 10. Okay. So this is the usage of this. This field controls whether to perform commercial rounding up or whether to perform commercial rounding down. Okay.
Yes,
If there is any decimal values. Okay, guys, clear?
sir. Till now, we didn't give any decimal values, right?
Yes. Let me try whether one up with condition. It's a T001 we are checking. T001 is actually discount surcharge and calculation type what it is? It's a quantity based and it's not the percentage. Let me save. I have given as rounding up value. I try to save the condition with 11. T001 with material. I give the value of 10.75. So it shows character limitations. I mean the special characters. Instead of comma, you need to use instead of full stop, you need to use the comma, I guess. Yeah, I took that one. Saved this 10.75. I have maintained. Enter, enter. And quantities. Execute. $10.75. So far, it's 7.75 only it's showing. Any
Yes.
rounding difference? Nothing it will have. You see, actually, there was a condition for rounding difference. So the condition, if you add in the pricing procedure, the values will be shown here. I don't think directly it will round up or round down the values in condition type itself. When the determining, it will determine the even with the decimal values. If you add the condition, there was separate condition type is there. If you had somewhere nearby discounts above the after the discount, then the values, if there any commercial rounding is happened, that will the the values will be added to the rounding difference condition type. Directly, I don't think it will add to direct condition value amount itself. I have not seen any condition values here. First of all, let me add to one quantity. Let's see, is there any making difference? Nothing. It's making difference. So, but that is the purpose. There is nothing more than that. Huh? It will be used for the rounding purpose. I don't want to keep that rounding rule here because we need to add some additional condition to the uh, we have to create one more condition type, and we have to place that condition type in the pricing procedure. Then only that all the rounding difference amount will be displayed to that condition type. So far we are not added, but not required that one. That much is not important. You just ignore this one. Okay.
Yes.
If there is any rounding difference is there, so it will it's a very bare minimum. One or two cases you can see that rounding difference. Most probably system will consider even the decimal values. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next field, structure conditions. So we maintain the structure condition type only for condition type KUMU. KUMU. If you go to the condition, you see structure condition, we maintain it as B.
B.
So far we are not added this one. When we are discussing about the bill of materials, you came to know that what is the structure condition. So here, for example, I will try to explain you. Right away, I will try to explain you the structure condition. So the transaction to create a bill of material is CS01. So for example, this is our material. Enter. For that again, we need to create 2 to 3 materials. Okay. Bill of material. So here, this is the main item. Okay. On that, we will add some components. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For that, these are also actually materials only. Okay. So can you give me your material? Any one of material? Let me try to add that one. Let me search with your sales arc. Wait. I don't think better I will create my own material rather than taking any other. So the thing is, so what is the purpose of the structure condition is, so it will accumulate all the values. So here we are going to add few components. Okay. For main material is this one. Assume like you are purchasing the computer. Okay. In the computer, there is with computers there
Keyboard,
are
mouse.
in the correct. It's a keyboard and
Mouse.
CPU. There are some already defined and mouse. There are something and
Charger.
charger. Okay. So there are the components. So here we will, if you are selling the main product, it will consider, see here we will give the quantities. Likewise, system will not allow if I try to save this because see item categories that everything is missing. We are not set everything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? I'm making you to understand that
Yes, sir.
the structure condition type we are only using for the KUMU condition type. Okay.
Yes.
For the KUMU condition type, what it will do, it will consider the all the component values
and other
values,
material.
it will come, it will accumulate all the component values and show the price in the main material. If it is computer, then it will consider all of these values and show it in the computer material. Okay,
Yes.
so that is the purpose of this one. We are using only that structure condition in the KUMU condition type. Just note it. Yeah. Have you noted already?
No, sir.
Yeah, we maintain structure condition only for KUMU condition type. Simulation. And the structure condition type KUMU is B. So the structure condition, what it will do? It will accumulate all the component values and display the price in the main item.
Sir,
So
it has
here,
only one component, sir, B.
what?
The structure condition has only one component, that is B, sir.
Yeah. So see, there is only one condition.
So your
Yes.
structure condition is there, no accumulation condition. But how many?
Yeah, there is another is also there. Condition to be duplicated. So that means it will display the prices in the main item and also display the prices in the components. Okay. So here in this component also the prices will be displayed, and here also prices will display. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So just note it. That's all. The structure condition will help to accumulate the values of components and display it in the main item. It will accumulate all the values. This assume that the value of this material is 1000. For this is also 1000, and it will sum up all the component values and display in the main item. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, when we are discussing about the item category controls, I will try to create my own BOM structure with the same example. Computer, I will create the material, and keyboard, CPU, mouse, monitor, the charger, everything I will try to create my own materials and fetch the prices. Okay, but for now you remember this. So the structure condition will accumulate the values of the components and display it in the main item. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And condition function, there is nothing use. There is no use. Just ignore this one. And data recovery, I have never seen this one. Condition technique old. You live with that one also. So next field is group condition.
Yes, sir.
So we are already discussed the group conditions. Okay. Have you know the group conditions?
No, sir.
We maintain our own group condition. Sorry, just ignore. Please note, if client requirement is to consider the total document value of proof of material. If client requirement is to consider the total document value or group of materials value, to propose the discount,
Total document value.
or the group of material values, to propose the discount. Then we will go for the group condition concept. If you check this group condition, then the group condition values will be distributed among all the line items.
Then the
Group condition value will be distributed among all the line items.
So your line items, like charger, keyboard.
It's not like that actually. This concept is something different. I think we have not discussed this one. Group conditions we are not.
Yes, sir.
Let me try to explain.
Your voice is not.
Wait 1 second. What I said, system will consider the total document value or group of material value to propose the discounts, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, for example, I am trying to add one condition here with the scales. I don't think we are not created, so we need to create one new condition type. 1 second. I'm thinking how to show you. Of the existing explanation. Okay, guys. So we are not added any group condition. So let me try to add one more condition here. So let's see how it is going to work. For that, what I will do, I will go to create one new condition /OV/07 sorry /06. For example, I was taking the standard condition type K007. Copy as group T GR. Something else. So I will take the access sequence of 627, which we are created as T007. Okay.
Yes.
I will try to assign that access sequence to our newly going to create the condition type. Here I am going to assign that one. Enter. Now TR01 is created. Save it. New condition type. T007 is the access sequence. Okay. Let me check this condition of the controls, what and all it is mentioned. Group condition need to be checked here. Calculation type I will make it as B, because we are given the fixed amount. Group condition routine. Total document value. We are going to give the total document value.
Sir, for this you can give rounding rule also, no sir?
What?
For this condition, can you give rounding rule?
This is not the rounding rule is somewhere in the top. Okay. This is rounding difference comparison. Anyway, you need to mark this one when you are using the group condition concept. Okay. We select this one and save it. So our client requirement is if the total document value reaching 10,000 rupees, then they want to offer 2,000 rupees as a discount. That we are not discussed, right? This topic.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we made the setup of the group condition type TR01 we are created and assign our access sequence. Okay. Now assigning this condition type in my pricing procedure, because until and unless I never maintain the pricing procedure, it will not allow to create the condition record. If it is a discount condition, that will be somewhere nearby here in the discount session. So which step you want me to add? So I'm going to add 43 here. Condition type and requirement type is show. Account key. For the discount, what is account key?
Rebate.
Yeah, ERS. Save it. Now we are added one condition. Saved it. Now go to maintain the condition records. The transaction code to maintain condition records. Guys, are you sleeping or what?
No, sir.
Yeah. So the transaction code for maintaining condition records is VK11. And what is our new condition type?
TGR1.
TGRI.
ER1. Enter. And if it's the customer, it's this one. This 1000. It's a discount. Go to the scales. Scale value. If it is more than 1000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
From value, it is more than 10,000. Okay. Then we are going to give 100 rupees as a discount. Okay. This is our client request. If client request is okay, I will make it 2000 because for your understanding. If client request is if they want to if the document value is more than 10,000, then we have to give 2,000 rupees as a discount. So just save this. So let me try to create the sales order. I set all the things. So let me order quantity I have given 100, but why it's negative? Negative value came here.
No, sir, that value not came.
And why it's negative? The net value is become negative due to some reason. What could be the reason?
Sir, quantity, sir, like one you have taken now.
Achha, given the quantity, right? Not
Yes.
given anything.
Given one, take 10.
Yeah, if it is 10, again it will go for more negatives, I think. See, it's going negative, man.
Yes, 264.
Why it is negative? And our values are not displayed, first of all. The TR01 which were added,
Yes, sir. The
values
100 page.
on scale, it should be 2000 as to come. Value scale. Why it became? See, there's some values are added to net value. Net value is working fine, but these values,
Tax value is more 90% more than net value.
yeah.
Almost.
So if I give, I was given the quantity of 10 quantity, so something it got. It should be minus, and again the tax values became. See, it's irreversible. I think something got changed with this setting. We did this one.
Sir, from 2 you didn't give.
Good spot, huh? For that, I have to give 10. Again, become more negative now. More negative values. But you see here, there was
Now
the
it is.
values are fetched.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it was giving some negative values due to some account keys, or I don't know. Once again, let me check. Just hardly 5 minutes for me. Wait. So see, if I try to create with one unit, as expected, the values won't come. Why?
Target
Like, yeah.
10,000.
Why? Because we set the
Scaling.
scale of 10,000. If the 10,000 value is matched, then only the TGR1 will be comes into picture and apply the discount. That is what our client requirement, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So, but the thing is, if I increase it to 10 quantity, it's showing negatives. Why it's showing negative? See, the net values became negative and the tax values were showing something different. Is that anything we got changed now? See, the TGR1 condition type is given the negative values because if you see here, if you go to the details view, you see minus 2000 was applied based on condition value. It's actually 10,000 value. Then we are going to give 2000 as a discount. Okay, the scale value you can see 10,000.
Percent.
Scale type, what is the scale type? It is base scale. Acha. Let me change the scale to this is the condition. Graduate scale. Usually we will use the scale, volume scale, quantity scale, gross.
Sir, it must be a quantity scale.
Mm, mm. But why it's showing the negative values?
Sir, earlier you made any changes, sir, while teaching us this count part and all?
Condition update. So, but the fact is, you understood the concept, right? The group condition. So, this is how you need to update uh, the usage of group condition is this one. If the client requirement is they want to propose the discourse based on the value or the based on the material group, then they have to then they will give the some additional discounts. In that case, we will use the group concept group group condition concept. Okay, but it is currently it is showing the negative values. I don't know what could be the reason. One second. You see here the gross value is 7949, correct? On that it is applied surcharges of this one, correct? The net value became, why this is red? Tax condition, why it is red? Have we changed anything now?
Tax condition you can
So
change.
you see, man, here tax value became negative. I think during this condition control explanation, we might have checked that X tax should not be X. That means, see, I might have checked this plus or minus sign with the tax is negative value. So that could be the reason. So let me recheck the MWST condition. If you go to the details, so it's a positive. It should be negative or positive. Condition plastic, commercial bonding, move save. Go on, enter. It again became negative. Total discounts is there, but where is the net value? 7745 should display here actually. MWST, why it is showing minus first of all? Because our net value is net minus or what?
Sir, while marking and all statistics manual and
Yeah, I check in the statistics. You can see here there was no statistics for our TR00 condition. Okay, TR01 condition, except the bifurcation steps. And why this INR showing? What is this INR? There is
net
no
value,
condition.
gross value.
What is a gross value? This is gave 00 and net value is showing as 174. On that again it was calculated. What is our total response?
2005.
2000. Quantity 10. Even though it's something wrong with our pricing procedure. Let me check once again. I try to remove unnecessary things. Why we are added this one? After net value, we are added this one. Okay, that is not a problem. Total response, why this is? I am removing this one. For the step if MWST, we took the reference as 110, correct? And it should be manual required, correct? And 16 MWS. Standard base value 20 TRW. Just we are added in between the response. Something we did wrong during the condition records maintenance. 11. K value we have given 10,000. We did correctly, but it's showing something. Scale type is base scale. Try to change it. So why it's negative values which is coming? So it's actually the value is this one. Okay. And that we are reduced to 2000. So after that, after the deductions, the gross value became 4792. After that, we are added freight surcharges. Then it should not become negative. Why the tax is becoming negative? See, there was a tax is a very complex one. So earlier there was a input tax. I changed so many things, but I am suspecting due to this reason. One second.
Sir, maybe they have changed.
Say earlier, people might be using this tax codes for the input tax. So you can see here our condition base value. Why it is taking the condition base value is 2252.50. 52.50. Even that value is in the minus. So it on that basis it is adjusted to minus 405.41. Where is the value 2254.50 is coming?
So now even our procedures will be wrong, sir, now.
No, see at the point of taxation only there was some backbone. You see here, the tax actually it has to consider on the net value. The base value is 7745.50, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So if I go here, go inside to this, so it was considering the base value as 2254.50. Why that so?
Sir, come back, sir. Where if 22.50 is anything, any value is there for us?
Nothing value is there inside this. You see, it was something redundant with the MWST taxes.
Now if we create, we do, sir, see, sir, tax it is coming more. See, tax column we are getting 9,9594.
9,000.
Sir, on top of that it is there, no, sir, tax.
Yeah, see here it was considered 2254. This is the negative value where it was coming actually. This value is considered that value. Somewhere it was considered the net value as 2250, but why the 2254.50 came here?
Even tax value is also wrong, no, sir. Here it is 405.
Hmm. So
But
It
in
should
actually,
be 139 something, 18% net rate.
it should be 13 something. Hmm. See, it should be net value should be this one. This has to come this side, but the
yes,
net
sir.
value is quite. We have changed any configs once again. Why this tax determination of tax? It should be D. Okay. Tax percentage. Okay, percentage based. It should be D only. Conditional technique. See here, what is this pricing procedure inside to this? See, they are using, see these and all the details. Let me save this. I don't know. With the MWST tax condition, they are using some different, see, scale basis, net weight scale something. I was correcting to value base. Now saved it. So something, there were so many mistakes in the MWST tax itself. double one. So, original tax only having so many things.
Order
Yes,
quantity 10, sir.
whatever it may be. I was
And
given quantity, but
100.
again it's
So it is
became,
interchanging, sir. Net value and tax, it is interchanging.
yeah, it's changing from, actually the net value should be, so this value, and that if you calculate this calculation, if I calculate this plus 822 196 is equal to, even though 918.3, 918, it's wrong, no? 95428 plus 8, and that into 18% equal to 95428 into 18% equal to minus something. On this basis, it should be calculated 95428 into 18%. On this basis, how much it will be? Calculate better on somewhere. But so far, it's currently taking the minus value as the base value. Let me check the pricing procedure whether we are assigned anything wrong. This value only. That value. Gross value is 20 to 70. Okay. Next, AIT is the net value. I think for the net value, 80 to 100, correct? Net value tax, it should be correct, 110 only. Then why it's became the negative? So we found this because of this condition, right? When we are added this, then only the issue is occurring.
Yes, sir.
So, see, there was so many things, tax need to be corrected. So, correct this tax classification. I mean, this MWST taxes. I will try to dig something. Okay, but it should not take the negative values now. Okay, guys.
Yes.
This definitely it should not take the negative value. There was an issue. I think that is because of listed quantity variance, tax percentage, condition class. I need to refer the original condition type and try to correct this error. Let me uncheck this. Oh, good condition. Okay, that could be the reason. We'll go back. It's again still the case. I need to refer the original tax condition type. But the fact is you understood, right? What is the purpose of this group condition? Guys, if the
Yes.
client requirement is they want to
Sir.
provide any additional discounts and based on the document value. If the document value is 10,000, if they want to provide 2,000 as a discount. In that case, we will use the group condition concept. Okay. And
Yes.
in the same way, if the client requirement is if any customer is purchases X, Y, Z materials, any materials if they are purchased, so they have to get the additional discounts of 1% or 2%. So we will use this group condition concept. Okay. But the fact is now we can able to fetch that group condition type. But the thing due to there was some missing in the taxes, it was throwing the negative values. I don't know. I need to verify this one. I will come back. Meanwhile, I will try to fix this error. Okay. This should not stop our class. So let me try to remove this one. So you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Group condition concept. But the fact is it's determined everything correct. But due to there was an issue in the tax condition type. So earlier that was that is used for the input tax. So now we are using as output tax. Whatever the sales order, delivery, invoice, whatever the tax will determine, that is called as output tax. Okay. In that case only we are getting the error. So let me delete this one and save. And so many things now we are corrected, right? Corrected or we are changed in the point tax condition part. Let me add this condition again. It's again became negative, man. Why so? See? Why that?
Sir, I saw just some cost negative value, sir. Cost. See,
Cost negative. BPRS is nothing to do with this. Oh, what happened? One original our condition is became everything negative. Is there any controls we are changing now? I need to check the base price first of all. Instead of I never change one, I will try to explain you. If I trying to save you in details, it was giving some errors. See here, the thing you understood what happened. What
Yes, sir.
would be the condition class for the TR01?
That should be
I
B.
said B.
It should be by
B.
B. So that is the issue actually. So we made it TR01 as tax condition. So it's determined that in the it's from different kind of issue. Okay.
Yes.
So now I was changed it to B. Let me try to reproduce the case. So that is the reason. I understand now. See, now everything became positive as expected. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
So now I will try to add one more time. I hope with that error we learn a lot. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 45. I will try to add our discount condition. Requirement type is true and base type is
Yes.
ERS. It should be discount, right? Now saved it. Oh, sorry. Sorry, man, make you confused. If I click enter, I am giving the 1,000 quantities. So I want to reach the budget of the client is 10,000 rupees. Then I want to apply the discount app 2,000 rupees. You got the point? You see here, TR group condition is determined because the condition value, what we made the scales
From 10,000.
10,000.
so condition base value, where I can see the condition base value, condition value. You see here from value is 10,000. So we are given the scales of from value 10,000. So the order value is reached up to that mark. So it became the 2,000 as a negative. It was additionally we are proposed the discount. Okay,
Yes, sir.
guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the purpose of group conditions. You try to create your own test case with the group conditions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, you understood that. I am keeping this condition in the pricing procedure. So now the results are accurate. We are changed anything, everything, anywhere. I don't know. I'm not recalling. Anyone is please guide me. Should be graduated scale. Okay. And we are changed the in the MWST condition so many standard things. What and all we are changed. It should be D and percentage correct.
The pricing.
Earlier it is a group condition is there. We are keeping as it is.
Sir, even pricing procedure is that yes, something was there.
Yeah, we are removed this one. Something is there, but don't forget. Do ignore that one. The purpose of this condition is something different. So you ignore so far. I will tell you when we come to this portion. Okay. So I have also changed the value base also right here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, try to don't change anything in the standard conditions. For your conditions, you can do anything. Okay. Because you can refer, finally, you are going to refer the standard one only. If you have any confusion like this. Hmm? So value scale, earlier it is gross scale, net value scale, right? How the earlier it is value scale only, right?
Yes, sir. Value.
No, sir, something gross or net. B or it was not B. You changed to B.
Yeah, I changed it to B. Let's see if we note it this point.
Gross, I guess, sir.
It should not be gross actually because the MWST condition itself is based on the value.
Or else net weight.
Net weight will not be there and gross weight should not be there. It should not be there. Either it should be quantity or it should be value because if the 100 quantity, the tax will be that tax will change, and the value is there, the tax will change. I think either C or B in the out of these two only. So you remember this one. I will check later. I will correct this one if anything is mistake. I hope this is correct one only. You don't
Yes.
think it is wrong. You think this is correct only. Okay. Until you will face a national, you think that is correct only. You don't think for debug and don't think that was a wrong. So just I have unmarked this one. So I have corrected the group conditions. Okay. Now everything set. Okay. So this is the purpose of group conditions. Okay. The next field. And I try to never change this one. Huh? So manual entries. Make a note. Manual entries. Hey, another 5-10 minutes. I am going to complete, man. Be conscious. These are all important, so that I am telling you. That's all. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Manual entries. So manual entries. So this field controls whether to change the condition type amount or value into sales document or not. I don't want to touch this MWST condition again. So I'm going for our customized TR01. Come back. TR01. Manual entries. This field controls whether to change the condition type value amount in the sales document or not. This field controls whether to change or not.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to change, then maintain the manual entry as blank or C. So here I am changing into C. Okay, and saved it. The TR00. You can see here the currently you cannot you can see that all the fields are grayed out, right?
Yes,
Right.
there is.
Yeah. So let me try to create the same. Continue. So everything is grayed out now. Okay. So if you want to change the amount, you need to whatever you want to change. If you want to change the amount, you can check this one. Value, you can check this one. Header conditions, you check this one. Oh. Just I nothing. I just am changing the amount and percentage and saved it. You can see now you can able to edit something.
Yes.
Yes, the field is grayed out earlier. Now I have marked the condition and value as tick marked. This value and this value I have marked. Okay, so you can edit the conditions like one. So I don't think it will allow because it's access sequence. It's based on the access sequence conditions. Um, Let me unmark this one and save this one. I don't want to change the base price as well. I want to check some header conditions. What is our header condition? TB00, correct?
Yes.
Oh. Here again, I have corrected and forget it. I need to change into earlier what it is?
B.
Automatic as pre. So the base prices will be determined automatically, okay, based on the condition records. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you want to change that, change any condition types, so you can make it as selection C, manual entry as priority. If you don't want to change condition types, you have to mark B, automatic price has a priority. And if you don't want to manually process, then you have select D, not possible to process manually. I think it should be B, man. You are confused. Let me refer the standard one. It's a B only, correct.
Yes.
So here only item condition is marked. Okay, in our case also item condition is marked. If you want to change the, if you want to change uh, condition type or delete amount, value or quantity, then you have to make it manual entries as C. Okay. If you don't want to change, then you can make it as D. Note this point. So there is an interview point of view question. There is a manual condition which user enter into sales statement. But after entering the condition type, system should not allow to change the amount or value. Where is the control? Now you can analyze something. So there is a manual condition type which user enters manually into sales document. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So after entering the sales document, system should not allow to change the amount or value. Where is the control?
It's under condition type, manual entries, B, automatic entry.
Yeah, you recall that manual entries. If condition is a manual condition, you want to enter manually. So this one, I was selected this one. Sorry, I don't want to change this one because there was some redundant issues are coming. What is our price? Save this and go one step back. Manual conditions, anything we are added? Yes, we are added so many things. HM00 and see TB00 and HM00. These are all the header conditions. Okay.
Yes.
I'm trying to add this header condition for your understanding once. Yeah, you are also try with this much with analysis, so only you can understand. Huh? So
Yes.
I'm adding 100 rupees as the header discount condition. So here you can see our client requirement is what? There is a header condition. So the customer enters manually into sales document. But after entering the condition, system should not allow to change the condition value. So now I can change it to 200. Okay. Where is the control? That is the question they ask. So what is the answer you need to tell? So you go to the condition TB00. And you can see here manual conditions I have given C and unmarked value and this one. And saved it. Okay.
Yes.
So now I try to create the same change order.
Okay. Go slowly, sir, after this step.
Yeah.
Yes. How did you get that screen, sir? Previous,
Which screen? This one?
not this one, sir.
Yeah. This one?
Before one step.
This one?
Sir, after this.
Okay.
That
You
is
go inside to the conditions. Here you are asking anything?
No, sir, no, sir.
Yeah. Just I have added the condition as 1000 TB00. Now you can see you can able to edit now.
No, sir.
So that is the control. That is the control of manual entries. If the client requirement is they want to add some manual entries into sales document. Once after entering the sales document, system should not allow to change the condition. I mean amount in the amount for the manual entered condition type. So what you did, you changed that condition class to C and unchecked the amount and value. Okay. So you should not. So if you want to uncheck only value, yeah, I'm unchecking only amount and saved it.
After this step, sir.
After this step,
This
this
screen.
this screen is availability check. It is saying like there was quantity only 8 pieces is there. So it was saying like there was shortages in the stocks. Okay. Uh, okay. There's nothing. You recall this screen. I will tell you. You just click on continue. Now go to the header and add that condition type. 1000 I have added. Now you can see the amount you can edit, but not the value. Are you see that
Yes.
difference? So that is the control when you mark and unmark this condition values. These are all these enter conditions. If a header condition is checked, then it is only applicable for the header condition. Amount is unchecked, then it should not allow to change that amount. If it is value is unchecked, then it should not allow to change the value during the creation. Okay, these are all about the manual entries. Okay,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Yeah, so I am replacing the changes. It's earlier it is
B.
automatic. Huh?
Yes.
It
Yes.
should be C only, right?
B, sir, B.
Automatic entry has priority. Are you sure B? Okay, let me save this one.
Sir, mark that was that amount and value.
These are all marked, right? Already.
Unmarked, no, sir.
So don't make me confused actually. I am confusing. So let me refer that HB00 condition. So this is actually it's a manual entry is blank. For the TB00 manual entry is blank. It should not be the blank. And everything rest all everything is you can see header only mark delete and everything is quantity relation. See everything is matching now. You can see
Yes.
correct, right? That everything is matching. I just saved this. I don't want anything to be discussed on it. Okay. The next condition is I will explain it to you explain you in the change display mode only because I am changing something I'm forgetting. Header conditions. Header conditions is the condition which is applicable to the all the sales statement and header conditions will not have the access sequence. You know, right? HP00 and HA00 we are added to our pricing procedure.
Yes, sir. That's true.
Yeah, for that we have you created any access sequence? No.
No,
We
sir.
just added the header conditions and if you want to add that condition, we will go to header and apply activate the header conditions. That's all. And standard header conditions are HP00 for the header fixed amount, HA00 for percentage. Please note this point. They will ask what is the header condition pricing. Now they will ask anything. I am taking it's almost fourth or fifth class regarding prices only. Okay.
Yes.
So in the interview point of view, think that they will ask more number of prices, more number of questions from the pricing only. What is header conditions? They will ask. What you will tell? It is a condition which is applicable to the all the line
All
items
the time.
in the sales statement. The header conditions which does not have the access sequence, and the header conditions will should be processed manually. We make these 3 points. What is header condition? What is the purpose of this? header conditions which is applicable to the on all the line items in the sales document. Header conditions which does not have the access sequence.
Yes, sir. Last one, manual entry.
Header conditions should be processed manually. And you can give the examples of SB00 is for the header fixed discount, SA00 for the percentage. And next is item conditions. Next slide, Nick. What
Yes,
is item conditions? They will ask. Item condition is the condition which is applicable to only particular line item. So item conditions might have the access sequence. It's up to them. Okay.
Sir,
Item conditions have the access sequence. So which is a condition which is processed automatically, quite opposite to the header conditions. These are all. Okay.
yes, sir.
So the line item, whatever the item conditions you are entered, if you go to the any one of the discount condition, item conditions need to be checked somewhere. Mhm. Yeah, you can see here freight conditions. It's marked as item conditions. The value will be applicable to the particular line item. Okay, guys.
yes, sir.
So these are all the conditions will be applicable to the particular line item, and item conditions have the access sequence. So, and one more point is item conditions will be processed automatically. Okay, quite difference to the header conditions. These are all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So apart from that, there was pricing procedure you said, right? Pricing procedure is actually in the pricing procedure in the condition type controls is for the condition supplements. So what would be the reason, you know? So here pricing conditions, I will try to explain you supplement conditions. So there was a request from the client. Okay.
Yes.
So in the similar way, in the group condition only, you already created the group condition and assigned to the pricing procedure. Okay. So if the client requirement is, if they want to add 2% additional discount, who are raising the order is more than 1 lakh rupees. Okay. In that
Yes.
case, they want to apply additional charges to the customer, additional discount to the customer. So that is the request. So for that, what we can do, we will create the condition supplement condition type. One more condition type we are going to create now. A/06. I'm going to copy the standard condition type K007. It's a discount condition, customer discount. Copy as K, sorry, P, supplement condition, SUP, enter. Just do the same. SU, supplement condition. SU1, okay. PS02, okay. So I have created one condition, okay. It's a supplement condition and save this, enter. I'm not assigned any access sequence so far and save this. T001. TSU2. This is the condition we have created for the supplement condition. So what is the purpose of how to create if you create the condition type? What is the next step?
Assign access.
Assign to. You always follow these all the steps whenever you are creating the condition type. So directly what I did, I have created the condition type. So condition table and access sequence, maintain condition type. We have created this one and maintain the pricing procedure and maintain the condition records. This is called the condition technique. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So in all the cases we have to follow this one. So I have created the one TSU2 as a supplement condition, and I need to create the new pricing procedure for this. For assigning for determining of supplement conditions into sales document. So I will go to create new step 10 condition. What is our base condition type? TR01. Enter. And it is already. I think we are adding in the new pricing procedure. No, I don't want. I want to create the new one. Just click on new address. Please supplement SUP 02. What is this? Specific procedure. Pricing type. Once again.
Just till how long the class will be there, sir?
Oh, it's almost over. I am trying to explain the supplement conditions. After that, I will wind this call. And anyway, we are done with everything. We are done with all the condition type. If I go inside to any condition type, we are almost done up to this one, this one, this one. You are asking this question, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the pricing procedure? I will show you how the pricing procedure and what is the usage of this pricing procedure. So if you are feeling tired, then we can wind up. There are only important fields are the pricing procedure is there and the condition index is there and condition update. Apart from that, there is nothing important topics here. These are all rest and all will be used for the scaling concept. We are not using, and these are all not required fields. There are only three fields: pricing procedure and condition index. So just make a note. Pricing procedure. Pricing procedure in the pricing type controls use it for the condition supplement concepts. Okay. So if the client requirement is, if they want to add 2% additionally discount to any of the customers, those who are paying the more amount to the in the document. So in that case, what we will do, we will create the new condition pricing procedure here and new condition type which we are created now. Just now we are created one condition type. What is that?
Yes, you
So in this condition, we are going to with this condition we are going to create a new pricing procedure. Like assume like TSSUP 0000. On this pricing procedure, we are going to add our base price condition, our TR01, and this condition type. Okay. So in that again we have going inside to the TSU2 condition type and maintain the condition record. So whenever the sales in the sales document TR01 is determined, and it's again it will determine the TSU2 condition type into sales document. That is what we are going to achieve now. If you have a time, you can do that, or else tomorrow we will continue the session. What do you think?
So we'll continue next class, sir, because
Exhausted, huh?
yes, sir, nothing. Mind is not.
Okay, okay then. So supplement conditions we will take tomorrow.
Yes.
And because that's actually that it's time consuming only. It will take minimum another half an hour. If I am saying 10-15 minutes and not
We
okay,
already.
we will take only three fields by tomorrow when we are starting the class. Tomorrow mostly not. And day after tomorrow we will start with this remaining all the fields. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay then. Thanks a lot. Huh? Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.